I'm Eddie Bauer athlete, Casey Dean, and this is the Freshline ski kit.
I think this kit pretty much helps me anytime that I'm in the mountains because, for one, the fit on it is just so good that I'm comfortable. And for me and a lot of the other people on the team, you know, a lot of the days we spend 10, 14 hours a day out there every day. And if you're comfortable and you're dry and you're warm, then you're happy and you're having a good time. So it just makes the skiing experience better to be in better gear. The weatherproof seal that I love so much about this kit is, for one, you got your bibs here, but when you take the powder cuff and you have it fully put together, it creates a seal to keep all the snow out, all through the bottom here. So even if something does happen to make it in a little bit, it still isn't going to make it up over the top of your bibs, so you're going to be dry and warm throughout the day. Being a guide-built jacket and pant, it's awesome because we can fine-tune everything with the countless hours that we spend out in the field to make it better, and that's the goal, is to constantly be making a better product.
Eddie Bauer, live your adventure.